Hi everyone, this is Iram here, and if you want to make a progress bar in Bootstrap like this, then stick with the channel, stick with the video, and I'm going to help you that how I have achieved this progress bar with Bootstrap. So let's get started. I'm going to code for this progress bar in VS Code Editor. I'm using VS Code Editor. Whatever code editor you like, you can go for that. First of all, I'm going to open a folder, and on my desktop here I have already created a folder with the name of progress bar. I'm going to create a page index.html, and here I'm going to Bootstrap website getbootstrap.com, and I'm going to here the Bootstrap site is like this, and I'm going to copy this starter template. Here is the code. Paste it here in your editor. I'm going to delete this h1 tag. I'm going to write here in the title tag progress bar. And okay, let's go and check it in the live server. Now the page is like this. Here the title as I've given over there, progress bar. Let's start creating. First of all, I'm going to mention the comment progress bar. I'm going to create a div section element, and in section element I'm going to create a div element, div tag. First of all, I'm going to give a class to section element, padding 5. Div tag, I'm going to give a class container fluid. Now I'm going to mention the title. First of all, I'm going to give comment title and end of title. I'm going to start it with a div tag, div class. I'm going to assign a class raw. I'm going to give another tag, div tag, and I'm going to assign again another class to this div tag, column text center margin bottom 3, and I'm going to mention the heading 1. I'm going to give a class to this heading, text info. Why I'm giving this info here in Bootstrap, if you go to components, and here we have different color codes. Colors name in Bootstrap are primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, and info. So I want my heading should be in info color. Now I'm going to give it a display of 2, and I'm going to tag, mention the title, the heading of this progress bar. Let's save it. and go to our server browser, sorry, and here you can see now it is progress bar. The title is here. Let's go back to the editor and paragraph tag, p tag. I'm going to write some dummy text. Lorem ipsum, and I'm going to give a class to this paragraph tag. Lead text, secondary, and let's save it, and let's go and see. Here this is our p tag and this is our title tag, paragraph and title. Now let's go back and create this progress bar. So I'm going to close it from here, and this is the progress bar, the space we have to add the progress bar. I'm going to add div tag and to assign a class raw justify content. Spelling of my justify, I'm sorry, justify content, and center. I'm going to create another div tag, assigning a class column large 6, text secondary. Okay, and now I'm going to create heading 2. First of all, I'm going to write here C++, and now I'm going to, okay, let's go back and check what we have done. So it's C++ is here. Let's go back and we have to create another div tag to assign a class. We are using this Bootstrap component progress, background, secondary, margin bottom 3, and close the div tag. Going to create another div tag within the div tag to wrap it. Class, assigning a class. Progress bar, and I have to cover it in inverted commas, background, I'm sorry, I don't have to mention this, only style sign, width, and width would be 40%. Oops. And now I'm going to write 40% here to be displayed there. Let's go to the browser and check, and this is our progress bar until now. Now let's give it that other I mistook here, it's a progress bar, and now it's okay. The secondary color, as we have mentioned, the 40%, so the 40%, it is showing that it is 40%. Let's go back and create the other one. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to copy from h2 to these div tag and paste it for thrice. Okay, now just going to change some things here. C# progress bar secondary. Now here I'm going to add background warning. This style would be 60%. Here it would be Java and background danger, and the width would be Java would be 80%, and here the last one, here I'm going to mention Python, and the background color I'm going to assign success, and this would be 95%. Let's go back and check. So here our progress bar is ready. It is showing C#, 40%, 60, 80 and 95%. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye bye.